Hi guys, welcome back to Genetics Creations. It's been a while. I know things have been crazy. I wish I had some crazy amount of excuses or something just really insane, but I don't. It's just life. But real quick intro for this plant tutorial. It's a plant holder and it is all done with your traditional crochet. It is kind of like a granny square, but I took it and turned it into a triangle. A great way for us just to combine my two addictions, which is now plants and crochet. We're going to be taking you step by step through it. The first section is going to be the base. You're going to want to stick around after that because then we're going to be walking you through how to do each of these. And then last but not least, how to bring it all together on the top so you have yourself a nice, strong, sturdy, and very capable of holding multiple pounds. I recommend doing your stronger, non-stretchy yarns. Cotton and hemp tend to be my favorite on these because they don't have any give when you pull them. One thing I always have a staple of is the Comfy Cotton yarn by Lion Brand. I am going to throw a link. I've done a full review on that showing you how I've used it in different projects. But I always tend to have a little bit here and there lying around, so I use it a lot on the plant holders. And hemp, I've acquired some different brands. I don't know the brands because I do get these secondhand, but different hemp yarns have been really good for this because, again, they're very strong. They don't give. They're not going to stretch once you're done putting it all together. So let's go ahead and dive in together, and I'll show you some tips and tricks along the way, and then we'll check out our finished projects at the end. All right, guys, you probably have something now that looks a little bit like this. You've got some nice designs there on the bottom. I'll try to show you without dumping my plant over, but I hope you guys had fun. It's a nice quick project, great for the weekend. Dollar Tree has some great cotton yarns right now in whites and blues and tans. If you get your hands on some of those, it can be a great budget project that can really elevate your garden. But guys, I hope you had fun. Send me comments below, any questions that you have. Join me on Instagram or on Facebook. The links are also in my bio. I would love to see your finished projects. Tag me in your journey. Guys, if you haven't already got hooked on crochet, please do so. It's one of my favorite pastimes. Otherwise, keep stitching. I'll see you in the next video.